Welcome or welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. Welcome to the 65th video of our AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Exam Prep series. Today, we'll be looking at question 65 of the exam prep, and let's jump right into it. A quick reminder that this video will be split into three different parts. The analysis stage, where we analyze the question. The knowledge stage, where we explore all the key knowledge points this question has to offer, and the solution stage, where we take a look at the answer for the question. Let's first hop into the analysis stage. So here is the question that we're going to be doing today. Take a quick minute and pause the video here to read it. Are you done? Fantastic. The first step in solving a big, complicated looking question like this one is to find out what it's asking. And here, I've highlighted the key points of the question that explains what kind of answer we should look for. In the highlighted lines, we see upload reports that are in PDF format and JPEG format. This is the format of data that we are going to be processing for this question. Therefore, it is quite important. The second thing we see highlighted in yellow is modify the Lambda function to identify protected health information, aka PHI, in the reports, which gives the main purpose that our solution is going to achieve. The final thing that we see highlighted in yellow is least operational overhead, which means that any solution that we choose should be operationally efficient. Now, it is time for the knowledge section of this question. The first piece of information that you should know is what is Amazon Textract. It is an AWS AI to extract text from images. AWS Comprehend is an AWS AI to understand the meaning of text. And AWS Sagemaker is an AWS AI for machine learning. AWS Recognition is another AWS AI that can be used to understand the meaning of an image or video. Now that we know what the question is about and what the key knowledge points mean, let's move on to the solution. So here, we can once again see the question, and this question is actually very easy to solve after everything that we just learned, because if we look it over again, we can see that option C is the only option that works because it is the only option that can extract the text from an image and locate the PHI in the text and protect it. Thank you guys for watching this video of UTech Exam Prep. And if you made it this far into the video, first of all, thank you so much. And second of all, you probably enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if that is true, can you do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel? It will really mean the world to me. Thank you.